Inaba Denko's LineGate AC Lineset entry point cover is an aesthetically pleasing way to provide superior protection with an easy 3-step installation. Outdated methods are unattractive and leave the entry point vulnerable to leaks caused by rain and severe weather. LineGate's aesthetically pleasing design complements various buildings with 2 color options in ivory and silver and can accommodate both mini-split and traditional central air systems. Providing superior protection, the LineGate is constructed from special high-grade PVC to be weather-resistant, UV stabilized, and fire retardant. LineGate is quickly installed in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Secure base by screw. Step 2. Apply caulk around base. Step 3. Click cover onto base. Contact us to order your LineGate Lineset entry point cover today.